By continuing to watch this video, you are consenting to being bombarded by a shitload of information. Viewer discretion advised. But like, please keep watching. Okay, today I'm making some toe caps and I want to go out and skate and show you guys, but I really have to hurry because it's the last day that it's going to be sunny and I'll even be able to skate because the forecast for Colorado for the next 4 or 5 days includes of snow. They're predicting like feet, like at least 3 feet. So I gotta go now, and Dylan's here and he's gonna record me, so I really gotta hurry because I haven't even made these yet. But I have a really good pattern to share with you guys. It'll be for free, it'll be in the description. I spent a lot of time coming up with this pattern for some cool toe guards and I wanted them to be like more flowery. So I'm gonna show you guys how to make it. I'm gonna give you guys the pattern, then I'm gonna demonstrate how they work for you guys and go on skate because I love roller skating. Oh, that was a mouthful. Okay, I was like severely scatterbrained while I was filming this more than normal, so I'm gonna tell you the materials over voiceover. Woo! 1. Pattern, find that in the description. 2. Thick leathery fabric. I got this faux leather sheet from Etsy. You can use vinyl, thrifted leather, whatever your heart desires. 3rd thing you need, grommets and eyelets. And 4th thing you need, other obvious materials like scissors, hammer, and maybe some snacks. I mean, why not? I know I joke about going into maximum overdrive in the past, but this is for reals. Maximum overdrive, okay? This is like for reals. Ooh. This step is really easy, and you might have guessed what it could be. Yep, you're right. Trace the pattern onto the fabric. Yeah! Twice, because you might have 2 skates. You probably have 2 skates. Oh yeah, and don't forget to trace out all the little holes and that big hole. I don't know if you guys can tell when I edit this all together, but I'm really going so fast here. Okay, so when you got these 2 laid out, yep, you guessed it, you cut that bad boy out. Okay, I didn't actually mean to say cut that bad boy out, but I really meant to say cut them bad boys out, because there's 2. Here's an example of one already cut out, but we're not using that for now. I just made these as a test run. This is the fabric I want. Time to cut out 1,000,000 miles per hour. Yeah. This is what it looks like so far, and now time to magically make the other one appear. Okay, we got both of them done. Now it's time to punch out the holes we marked out. Wait, I forgot to get the hammer. Hello, my name is Olivia and I'm completely unhinged. Got it. Want to see me do it again? No, I'm just kidding. Okay, next step. Cut out the holes. Go. Bonk, bonk, bonk. I have to hammer on the floor, but hopefully you make a smart decision about where you can hammer. You can also use like a hole puncher for like leather if you have that. This isn't super strong though, so we'll see. Okay, here's what we have so far. This is the back, this is the front. You can see that these holes are bigger because the eyelets are bigger. You only need 2 eyelets for these, and the rest are going to be grommets, but you can do whatever your heart desires. Okay? Okay. The next step is just a bunch of freaking hammering these bad boys in the hole. That sounded bad. Wow, I really can't avoid these, can I? Oh man. So this is the top, this is the bottom for the toe stop, and to make the toe cap, what you do is you just overlap the top over the side, and you match up the holes, and that's where you put your little hardware stuff. Easy enough. Okay, use the little toolios that come with your little eyelets and do that little thing you do.
Yeah.
After this, the rest are just grommets. I like to use these little ones. I think they're the perfect size, but you could use thicker size if you want. And I was hammering, 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 hammering. Here's what the top looks like so far. For the bottom, you do the same thing. I like to do the sides over the bottom though, but you could do bottom over sides. It's up to you. Hello? Damn kids. Alrighty, we got one down. With one stroke of my hammer, I will now have both of my toe guards miraculously finished. And woo! Here is the final result. I love how this gives like a heart shape or flower petal type of vibe. Just a little extra pizzazz, and they're really easy to make. So feel free to use that pattern and alter it however you want. Tag me, let me know. Yeah, they turned out great. Okay, now it's time to lace it up, which is arguably the longest part. Okay, let's get going. Ooh, look it, I got these skate accessories from Etsy too, and I thought they're so cute. I gotta hurry. Oh, okay. Also, what you need to do is take out your jam stop, your jam plug, or your toe stop. I have jam plugs in because I like dance skating. So this is just a screw out. As you can see, my toes are pretty scuffed up from all my falls. All you do is just cup it over like this. You screw in your jam plug or toe stop. And then you start by lacing it through the holes. Voila! I also made this macrame skate leash. It was kind of a, what's the word? Experiment. If you want to see that, if this video goes well, if you want to see this, put it in the comments. But it's time to go try these bad boys out. Wow, I'm so excited. A mild distraction. Right?
Right.
It's like, what is that? He's a speeder monkey. Oh. Just accepts her fate. Oh!
Ray's got a hard head.
You're so cool.
Thanks.
Ray, look at Ray.
What are you eating, dude?
Ray, don't eat fabric. No, spit that out. Okay, so it was actually really cold and really dang windy when I got there. And it turns out none of this audio is actually usable without blasting your eardrums. So I'm just going to talk to you about skating elsewhere and just show you my skating without audio. Okay, so what I was trying to say in that clip was that I got into skating last summer, toward the end of last summer. So I've been skating pretty much throughout the winter, which has been quite a challenge. But I've gotten slowly better. I've just been trying to teach myself jam or dance skating, which is my favorite form of skating. And I'm not super graceful, but I'm trying my bestest to be graceful. I'm not quite a Bambi leg beginner, but I try, and I'm excited to skate more in the future. I don't know why you need to know this or if you're even interested. So I'll just stop talking and hope you guys enjoy the skate montage. Oh shit! Ah! Too far. Okay. Bazinga. I don't know why I said that. Why did I do that? Okay. Where are you? Okay, you gotta give me back. Oh, maximum overdrive. I forgot the hammer.